everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a egg sabzi. This dish is a hard-boiled egg and a tasty sauce. It's so delicious and it's a very quick and easy dish to put together. I'm super excited to make this scrumptious dish, so let's get started. Let's start by thinly slicing the red onions. Next, dice up the tomatoes. Let's now get into the ingredients. 3 hard-boiled eggs, chopped up into large pieces or shredded, whichever to your liking. Half of a red onion. 2 small tomatoes. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1½ tablespoon garlic paste. 1 tablespoon serrano pepper. 1/3 cup cilantro, half of a lemon. On medium heat, add 3 tablespoons oil to a pan. Once the oil heats up, add in the cumin seeds. Now the seeds are sizzling. Add in the serrano pepper. Wait about 30 seconds. Add onion, add garlic paste, add ginger paste, add a pinch of salt, give it a good mixing and cover. Checking out the onion sana, giving it a quick stir and cover. Onions are translucent. Add in the tomatoes and mix in. Now we have reached the wonderful masala time. Add 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kheem Masala, and 2 teaspoons Egg Curry Masala. Mix in thoroughly and cover for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in 1/3 cup water. By adding water, it will unite all the spices into a flavorful gravy. Simmer on low to medium heat and cover till the gravy thickens up. As you can see, I'm using my spatula to determine how thickened up the gravy is. When the gravy is ready, which the gravy is at the right consistency now, time to add in the hard-boiled eggs. Add in the butter, leave the heat on low, stir in the butter till the butter is melted. Then add lemon juice. Add cilantro and stir in to combine everything together. Turn off heat and cover to keep the sabzi warm. Add in some butter to the pan. Wait till the butter is melted. Then add the bread of your choosing. I'm using sliced bread. However, you can also use rolls or buns or even French bread. You want a bread that will toast nicely on the outside but also keeps its soft texture in the middle. Time to start plating this beautiful dish. Also, let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video on how to make this green chutney. Chutney meaning sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm happy to share this delightful dish with everyone, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on the flavor. So give this dish a try and let me know in the comments below. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Until next time, I will see you guys on the next video.